Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I've pulled up at my mate's house and I'm going to install a little flip down table on the back of the doors here. You see a few videos with them on it. It looks pretty cool. I definitely want to cook outside because of the stink of the van. So from Temu I've got some more of them little lock up latches, brackets things, whatever you call them. And I'm going to go and attempt to fit it. So me and DIY don't get along, alright, so wish me luck for this. Try and stick it here. Hopefully they've sent me more than one this time. Last time they sent me one. Some little screws, don't want to lose them. It's looking promising. A box full of screws. So there we go. These are my little brackets. What? So they're not self-tapping screws, guys. They're just standard screws, which means I've got to attempt to use a drill. Right, so here's the bit of wood I got, and it's going to go there. You've all seen the videos of people with their tables and their vans. So it's going to go there. I've already marked it now, so I'm going to give it a little trim. Yeah, start playing with the drill. Wish me luck. Right, so there's a line. I'm going to cut down there. Yeah, hopefully don't cut any limbs off. Great success. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to screw these to the wood first, I think, and then bolt it to the door. I think that could be the best way. I found one problem with the screws, guys. Don't know if you can see it. Let me get this one. This one here. Is it focus? Basically, it has no thread on it. Compared to all the others, you see. Alright, as you can see, my pilot holes are screwed, not screwed, drilled, ready for the brackets. I've noticed a little issue. That is too small. Once I get it there. Manual screwdriver now time. Jesus Christ. So, brackets are on. Whoa. Nice. Why won't you drill? Told you guys, told you it's me. Me and DIY just don't get along. Complete waste of time, guys. Complete waste of time. I'm just so shit at this DIY stuff. I mean, look what I'm doing to my doors. A couple of holes, right? There. Well, I think, oh look, I'm just ruining my freaking carpet. Picking Sharpie pen everywhere as well. So pissed off. So pissed off. I'm just so shit at it. What can I use to get this onto them doors? Is there like self-drilling things or something? Need some advice, guys. Because I'm just annoyed. So annoyed. I can't do this simple task. Right, let me know in the comments, guys, please, how I can fit this. Bearing in mind I'm pretty shit at DIY, as you can tell. gutted. Anyway, let me know, please.